Okay guys, I counted the gears now. This gear has 20 teeth and this gear has 30 teeth. So how to add the gear relation between two gears means, here you can see the gear relation. Click on this and we have to select the two mates, which is our revolute mates. And selecting the EQ and also for which revolute you are selecting. Observe that clearly. I'm selecting the this gear. I'm selecting this gear first, means high number of teeth. I'm selecting the smaller gear and this revolute mate. You can see which one is selecting clearly. So as I told the formula, right, number of teeth of first gear by number of teeth of second gear. You can see I selected third revolute. Third revolute means this gear, right? This gear have 30 teeth. And open the calculator, see. This gear have 30 teeth, right? So I'm saying 30 divided by, and I revolute 4, which is had smaller gear. It has 28 teeth. And it's in 30. And what we get? We get 1.5 relation. In the relation ratio, type 1.5. 1.5. And click green option. Now see, I'm going to revolute one gear here. Right click on this, animate, and click on this. See, the gears are rotating with equal relation. Let me make it transparent. Wait. Let me add this fixed part. You can see the gear is moving correctly because of that good relation, correct relation between the two gears. As do the same like for the all gears. Let me show you how that also. Yeah, see, now give the gear. You can see as I said, I give the all to the all gears. I give the gear relations. For this two gears has one relation, and this two gears has one relation, and these two gears have one relation. I'm going to animate this once, and I'm going to play. See, the all gears are rotating proportionally to each other without overlapping them to the teeth. In this way, we have to you can do the assemblies between the. You can import the gears, design the gears, and also design some mechanical designs easily by using the tool, and also animate them like this. I think for more like these videos, if you want, please do like and subscribe our channel, guys. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.